To, puntahan natin to, yung Bangayan, no? Bangayan ni Senator Raffy, ganun din ni Congressman Pulong. Si Congressman Pulong is idol ni Boss Jordan Gian, ha? Huwag niyong kakaligtaan. Oh, tapang sa camera, tapang sa aksyon. Ayos, ha? Ayos talaga, ha? Senator Tulfo, ha? Wala ka, ikakandidato na kita. Ano daw? Kaikangan maka 30k views yan. Ano tayo mga 30 views? Yun naka... Sleepy ka na! Wait a minute! Boss Michael Torres. Ay, may kaklase ako. May kaopisina to akong ganyan, ah. No, ganyan pangalan. Kawawa talaga ang bayan sa mga korap. Oo naman. No? So ito. No? Tapang sa camera o tapang sa aksyon. Kaya, ibang klasen kasing bunganga ni Pulong eh. Di ba? Madaling magpanggap na matapang sa camera. Trabaho ba talaga o kapangyarihan? Bla bla bla. Yan yung sabi ni Pulong. Yan daw mga tulpo. Challenge niya. No? Duterte raised a challenge against the Tulfo brothers. But the real issue is not who talks tougher. Oh, the real issue is who can point to concrete results. In public service, courage is not measured by sounding fearless in front of camera. Courage is measured by accountability. Umi-English ba si Senator Raffy Tulfo? Eto mga mandirigma, ha? Let me ask you a simple question again. Let's start it with a simple question. If there is two people no na they are arguing tungkol sa pagiging matapang, how do we settle it ba talaga? By words or by results? Because that is where the criticisms against Senator Raffy Tulfo starts becoming weak. Coming from isang congressman na nananaksak ng baliktad na kutsilyo dahil hindi nakahindot. Oh. The accusation basically suggests that it is easy to look brave sa harap ng camera. Ganon din sa mikropono. Ako nga tapang ko eh. Magsasalita lang, wala akong problema, di ba? Parang hindi maingat yung bibig ko, di ba? Pero, guys, maingat tayo. Hindi lang halatang maingat ako, pero maingat tayo. Marami tayong kalaban na, di ba? Pero maingat tayo. Sige. Fair enough. No? Okay ka sa camera. Okay ka sa boka ng bibig mo. Matapang ka. Ngayon, ang sunod-sunod na tanong, what happened after the cameras were turned off? Po siya pagka sinabihan mo lang niya si Senator Raffy Tulfo eh. Kung ang sinabihan mo sino ba yung isang Tulfo? Si Mon Tulfo, si Ben Tulfo. Pucha, pag si Ben Tulfo sinabihan mo niyan, shoot na shoot yung tanong sa'yo. Anong mangyayari pag yung camera pinatay na? Mahilig, di ba si Bitag, si Ben Tulfo? Look at me. Malamang sasabihin lang sa'yo nun, no? Pulong! Ang sinasabi ko sa'yo, you're gonna get it. Haharapin kita, hindi ako natatakot sa'yo. Pag nakita tayo, papatayan, I'm gonna close the camera on you and you're gonna get it. Diba? Because that is where public service is actually measured. Not in interviews, not in sound bites, not in viral clips, but in outcomes. And this is where many Filipino became familiar with Raffy Tulfo. Diba? Hindi ko siya pinopromote, pero parang ganun na rin. Kasi whether people like him or not, one thing is difficult to deny. His public image was built around handling complaints. Di ba? Confronting abusive individuals and pushing agencies to respond to ordinary citizens. Yun, kailangan mo ng tapang doon para gawin yun. Santabi natin lahat ng mga criticism sa kanya. Na kesyo, ano lang, for the views, blah blah blah. Nagawa-gawa lang naman yun ni Kabayo. No?
I've never heard of this.
Yun ang tapang. For you to be able to push or to move mountains para mas i-prioritize ka. Now, syempre, you can criticize the style. You can criticize the methods. Pwede mo rin criticize yung approach niya. But saying there were no problems solved, that is a much harder argument to sell. Kahit bulag, hindi bibiling yan. Parang sinabing walang customer sa karinderya, no? Habang may pila hanggang kanto. Ganon yung lalabas ng statement mo. Na hindi tinatao yung karinderya ni Senator Raffy Tulfo. Mga tao mismo yung makakasagot niyan. Examinin niyo yung yung challenge na sinasabi ni ni Pulong. Pulong asked whether the Tulfos are truly chasing work or simply chasing power. Napakagandang tanong. But, syempre, yung politika has a funny rule. The same question can be asked in reverse. Pag ikaw na binalikan nung tanong, if we are questioning everyone's motives, then nobody gets a free pass. Because every politician seeks influence. Diba? Lahat ng politician, they seek office. Every politician seeks support. Ngayon, ang talagang tanong, what did you do with that influence? Hindi ka ba sumaksak ng bugaw dahil hindi ka nakahindot? Yun ang mga tanong. Hindi ka ba nagbayad? Pero gusto mo rin tsumukchak? May tattoo ka ba sa likod? Because influence without results is useless. At dyan babangga yung ugali nyo ni Raffy Tulfo. Siya, ginagamit niya yung impluensya niya para makatulong. Ikaw, ginagamit yung impluensya mo para makadiscount sa hindot. Parang may pinakamahal kang cellphone. No? Pero wala namang signal. Mukhang maganda. Pero wala kang mapapala. Palamuti lang sa bulsa. And this is why voters usually care more about performance than rhetoric chukchakers. Kagaya mo. Performance leaves evidence. Performance leaves records. Yung performance, magbabakas yan ng outcome. Words leave impressions. Yung mga resulta, may prueba. Kung usapang tapang, sige, let's talk about courage. Because courage is being thrown around by both sides. But courage is not measured by who talks the loudest. Kung sino may pinakamagandang camera nakatutok, tapos pinakamagandang mic, hindi po ganun. Hindi ganyan sinusukat yan. Courage is not measured by who throws the sharpest insult. Courage is measured by willingness to face criticism, answer questions, and be accountable to public. Parang exam yan eh. 'Di ba? Hindi sapat na sabihin mong, matalino ako. Kailangan mo sagutin yung test. And in politics, the public is the examiner. Tayo. 'Di ba? Kaya, alam niyo, mga mandirigma, anyone can question another person's courage. 'Di ba? Anyone can challenge other politicians. Pwede ka rin bumato ng punchline. Pero yung public, no? The public always comes back to one thing. Ano yung hihingi natin? Ano yung ating sinisilip? Ano yung tinitingnan natin? Results. Parang langit ba? Mga kababayan!
Shark Chamber right now. They're not in the-
Dati kuha ko yun eh.
they're not there.
No? Dati kuha ko yun eh. Results. Resulta. Kasi, at the end of the day, no, mga mandirigma natin dyan, mga birador. Sige, given, microphone creates attention. Argument creates headlines. But accomplishments create credibility. Pag binaktrack mo, ang dami na pala nagawa nito, automatic mabibilib ka. And if you're going to measure courage, let's measure it not by who talks the toughest. Let's measure it by who has something to show when the talking stops. 'Di ba? Ganun dapat.
Archie,
Wala tayong sound effect eh. Reklamo pa rin eh. Nakalimutan ko na naman na ilagay dun sa ano. Oh. Punta na tayo sa ating pang ano. Wala. Pucha, tuloy-tuloy ito. Puta, ako pa ba naman?